Good morning, my dear students. So, welcome for to the online class of 9th standard. So, today we are going to discuss about the first lesson in geography. The name of the lesson is Our Karnataka. My dear students, you know that we are all Kannadigas, and you know physiographic, the division of Karnataka. How is Karnataka? It is in the cashew nut shape, and it is also one of the state among the India, because Karnataka lies in the India. So there are total 30 districts are there, 29 districts are there. Among 29 districts, Karnataka is also one of it. So Karnataka is having lot of wealth and it is a prosperous state. Here you can see variety of people, variety of plants, animals, diversity in a language. So Kannada we are not going to speak all over the Karnataka in the same tone. We are going to use a different kind of Kannada speaking style. So the rural people in Karnataka, they speak different Kannada, where urban people are going to speak different Kannada. But script is one, but way of communicating with the people, so the language is going to be used on the locality of the people. So my dear students, in this lesson we are going to discuss about the history of our state. So when we are going to study about our state, so we should come to know, so in the past days, how vast our Karnataka was and which language the peoples are speaking. So when we are going to study about the history of Karnataka, we are going to get the records. So before it is called as Karunadu. In Kannada, it is called as Kappu Mandina Nadu. The area of a black soil is known as a Karnataka. One of a book in a Tamil inscription, it is known as Shilapadikaram. So in that book, so the word was used as a Karunadu. What is the meaning of Karunadu here? It is an elevated land. Elevated land means nothing but the peninsula. So which part of the India is known as peninsula? That already you have learned in the 8th standard. What is the meaning of peninsula? The land which covers 3 sides of water and one part of the land is called as a peninsula, because Karnataka comes in the South India. So in South India, so in the west part it is lying. Southwest part, so the Karnataka was lying in the map. So when we are going to study about the history of Karnataka, we come to know one of the old book which was written by Amogavarshan Nrupatanga. So he wrote one of the book, it is called as a Kaviraja Marga. So it is the oldest book in the Kannada literature. We come to know in that book where the Karnataka region in the time of Chalukyas, it was extended. It was extended from river Kaveri to river Godavari. Where is Godavari present? It is in the Maharashtra. So Kaveri in the Godavari Varamidda Nadadu Karnataka. So like this, one statement will come in the book. It is called as the Viraja Marga. Means during the time of that period, in the time of Rashtrakutas, so it was extended from Godavari river to up to river Kaveri. Godavari it is in the north, where Kaveri is in the south. So in this two river between, the land is called as a Karunadu, or maybe it is called as Karnataka. But while the Britishers were ruling, so they divided the Karnataka into different kind of a part. Because we can see, so the Bombay Karnataka was separate, even today Hyderabad Karnataka was different, Madras Karnataka was different, and Mysore. So the Karnataka was ruled the old name of Karnataka was Mysore, where Mysore Wadeyars were ruling. In the year 1947, when we got independence from the British, so the 9 districts of Ane South were brought into the Mysore Wadeyar control, but later when the linguistic base, so the states were started to create in the India, so we merged Hyderabad and later Bombay, Madras and the Mysore state, including we brought that entire into an so the one state concept in the year 1956 at the November 1st. Even today also we are going to celebrate this day, very important all over the Karnataka, as a Kannada Rajotsava. On that day we are going to host our flag, so and making so the worship of God Karnataka, Kannada Devate. So like this we are going to get some information about Karnataka. When we are going to study geographically where to where our Karnataka was extended in the globe or maybe in the border. So Karnataka was extended, so how much? 11 degree to 31 degree in the north and 18 degree to 45 degree in the latitudinal extent, and it is also extended in the longitudinal extent 74 degree to 12 degree in the east and 78 degree to 40 degree in the east longitude. Already in the 6th and 7th standard we have studied about what is latitude and what is longitude. Latitudes are going to draw parallel, so to the west to east it is called as latitudinal line, and the longitudinal lines means which cross so the north and south. So in this extent in the scale, while we preparing the map we have to draw the Karnataka location. And next we are going to study so the extent of Karnataka, how much vast is there. So the northern tip of Karnataka is in the north tip of Karnataka is Aurakalu, Bidar district, it is situated, and in the south it is extended to up to Chamarajanagar. The total distance of this area from Aurakalu, Bidar to up to Chamarajanagar, the distance is 750 kilometers. And where to where it is extended, how much distance is there between the west and east? In the west part, so there is a Uttarakhand, Karwar district, from in the east it is a Kolar. So this distance is 400 kilometers. Like this, north and south and the very west and the east, the Karnataka was extended. I told you Karnataka is in the shape of cashew nut. So what I have drawn in the map, in the board, it is not exactly, but it is somewhat appearing like the Karnataka shape. So now we are going to discuss about some more information about the Karnataka. Karnataka is having land border frontiers and also the water border frontiers. So which are the water border frontiers? So Karnataka is also having one part of an water body it is going to share. So which sea is there for the Karnataka? Arabian Sea is in the west part, and it is also bounded by the land frontiers. So means borders, land border. Which are the states with we are going to share the land border? In north there is a Maharashtra. In the north-east side there is a Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, where in the south there is a Tamil Nadu, and the southwest side there is a Kerala, and the northeast side there is a Goa. So between these states we are going to have the land border we are going to share. And you know, in the TV and medias we have many clash with the neighboring state regarding to the water issue. Let we will discuss that in the next coming lessons. So now we come to know the clear structure of Karnataka, where to where it is extended, what kilometer distance is there between north and south and east and west, and how many states with we are going to share the land border, and which water body surrounded for to the Karnataka we come to know. So for the administration purpose of Karnataka, we divided the Karnataka into how many districts? We divided into 30 districts, and we divided for administration purpose how many taluks are there? 176, and for administration purpose there is a Hublis. How many Hublis are there? 747. How many towns are there in the Karnataka? 347, including small and big. And total number of villages is 20,481 villages are there in Karnataka. And what is the total area of Karnataka? 1,91,791 square kilometers. And according to the 2011 census, what is the total population of Karnataka? It is 6,11,30,704 according to the 2011 census. And for the administration purpose, to provide the service for the public, we divided Karnataka into 4 divisions. Which are the 4 important divisions of a Karnataka? One is the Bangalore, which is the first one, Bangalore, and one more is a Belagaum division, and Kalaburgi and the Mysore. So like this, we divided the Karnataka into 4 administrative divisions. In that division, some taluks will come. So every district, every division have any commissioners. So they are going to solve the problems of the administrative matters. So dear students, now you come to know very clearly about the outer look and the geographical information about the Karnataka. Regarding to this lesson, if you have any doubt, so you can discuss with me, so making a call or messaging in the WhatsApp. So after reading once the lesson from the text carefully, so attend the exercise questions. If you have a doubt to solve the exercise questions, I will help you providing any kind of the PDF files. So thank you listening for this video. Keep watching. So next we will meet in the next video. Goodbye.